Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you that how can you create a lead page and then you can basically get a lot of mail. So basically, what is a lead page, how it works, and why you should go with lead page. Okay, let's just come here and let's just look for lead page examples. Okay, lead pages, lead page examples. So you guys already know what a lead is. Okay, lead means sale. Okay, and lead page means that the page that drives you more sales. Okay, so you basically create a website for your company, but you create a lead page for your product in which you describe the product that way so that the customer who wants to buy your product should buy. He should not wait a single second. He should be like, no, I just want to buy it right now. He should be like that. Okay, and if you are creating a lead page, then you will receive that you yourself will see that your sale will be 50% increased. Okay, so let's just go down and let's see that it's a 16 examples of create landing page. So you can see landing page design. No. Yes, this is the one. Okay, this is basically called the landing page conversion course, like this one. Okay, and if we go down, you can see how it is. If I just go down, you can see this is the another lead page. Like it takes like generate even more leads from your blog. So you can see turn your blog customers readers into customers. Okay, then this is like the page, and it says get it now, and here is the everything. So if someone wants to get anything, they can just come here, they can just enter their information, and then they're gonna get it. So basically, how does this work, how you should create lead pages, and why you should go with this. So you can see if you have a lead page, basically, trust me guys, trust me, you will receive that your sales will be 50% increased, because lead pages work a lot. You not only get the customers what we say the email, but you also get to sell more products. So you have to create a lead page for that. So we are going to create a lead page, and now here I'm just going to show you how to create. So you can see these are just the examples of the lead pages. If you want to get more, you can just go ahead, you can just go to images right now, and you should be seeing some of the lead page examples. You can see lead pages with Drupal, and you can see lead pages. This is called the lead pages. Lead pages can be like called as the page that drive you the sale. So we want to get sale. If you are doing everything for business, if I'm creating a course, I'm just earning money. That is what I'm doing. If you are just creating a website, you want to earn money. Okay, so whatever we are doing, we just want to earn money. That is why. Even the people who just create free content on YouTube, they just earn money from the AdSense and everything. So I want to just earn money. That is my main thing. Okay, and if I have a product, like if I have an e-commerce based website, and I want to create a lead page for that. So how will I do that? Okay, so let's suppose that I am doing a lead page for like an iPhone, or for a software, or for something like that, and I want to build a website, and inside that I just need a form. So in that form, the person just has to just enter his name, his address, his name, his last name, and the email address, and then he has to just hit sign up now, and then after that we have to that give him the information that what was that, and in return what we are getting, basically we are just getting his email address, and he's also buying something from us. So that is a great thing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what we have to do is that we need to go to the WordPress right now, and we have to install WordPress. So I'm just gonna go ahead and since this is the complete WordPress course, and I'm doing everything that relates WordPress to it. So since this is related to WordPress, that is why I'm teaching you that. And even one of my students said that that if you are creating the complete WP course, then you should add that. So I'm just adding this just because it is related to WordPress. Okay, so those things that are related to WordPress, since this lead page can be built on WordPress, that is why I'm showing you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit site title, and here I want to just add a site title. So my site title is going to be lead page example. Okay, I'm just gonna enter my name, and now here I want to add the password. So I want to hide it. And now here I want to enter the password, oh sorry, the email, and then I want to go ahead and I want to just hit install WordPress. So it should install WordPress in a minute, and you can see the WordPress is right here. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit login. So if you do not know how to install WordPress, then please watch the previous video, the video that says how to work with a theme, or how to work with a blog, or how to just build a business website. So just make sure to go ahead and just see that page, and then you will learn how to install WordPress manually with the database and everything. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. So now let's go ahead and let's just log ourselves in with the email, with the things that we have provided. So I'm just going to enter the details right now, and then I'm just going to log myself in. So you can see everything is right here, and here we just want to create a simple lead page. So lead page don't have the menu, okay? It's just a single page. You can create a website. If you have so many pages, that is called basically a website. So guys, there's a difference between the lead page. There's a difference between the website and the lead page. Lead page is just a single page. We don't have menu. We don't have anything. This is just a page that describes your product. So if this is my website, okay, and I want to create a lead page on this, how will I do this with WordPress? So I'm going to show you. What you have to do, you have to just go to dashboard right now, okay, and then you have to go to the permalinks. Okay, we don't want to care about the permalinks. We don't want to care about anything because it is not related to the links, anything. We just have to care about the theme and the plugin that we're going to use in this course to just work with that. So we don't need any of the theme. Okay, yes guys, we don't need any of the theme for that, okay? We don't need the Ocean WP, we don't need anything, we just need the plugin, and that is called the Elementor, okay? So we have to just go ahead, we have to just like for Elementor, and then we have to just hit this, okay? And now here we have to just install this. It says Elementor Page Builder. So I want to just install this right now, and you can see it is installed. I'm just going to activate this right now, and it should be activated. So this is activated. What I have to do right now, I just have to go to the pages, and I have to go to all pages. So in here I want to create a page, and then I will assign that as the home page. So but first what we have to do is that we need to install the pro version of this in order to create the lead pages. So guys, because without the pro version you cannot go further, and you need the pro version. So if you do not know how to get the pro version, then the video that you are watching right now, you just have to open that up. So here, as you can see, it says resources available. You have to just click it, and then you have to click there, and you can see that it's going to take you there. And here it says take your design to the next level. Make sure you buy it. You can buy it for business, like for 3 websites, or for personal, it is for 1 website, okay? So you can buy any of the plan. It is for unlimited website. So you have to just buy it, and then you have to just go ahead into your account. You have to log yourself in, and in your account you have to download it. So after you have downloaded it, you have to just upload it. I'm going to show you how you can upload it. You have to just go to in the plugins. You have to hit add new, and then you have to hit upload plugin, and in here you have to choose the file. So I'm going to choose the file that will be under the documents downloads, and it should be Elementor. So this is the one that I have downloaded right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit install now. So this is the pro version. Make sure that you I just bite my cheeks, oh my god. So now you have to just go ahead and hit activate plugin. Okay, and now you can see that the plugin has been activated. So make sure that you go and do that, okay? And now what we have to do is that we need to just go to and create a page, okay? Make sure that you don't have any of the page. Okay, sorry. I have to go back, and now I have to just trash it, okay? So make sure you don't have any page. You don't have any post. Go here and remove all the posts, remove everything, and do not care. Okay, and now what we have to do is that we need to go to page, and then we have to hit add new. So in here I have to just create a new page, and that will be my home page, and we just have to work with it. Okay, you have to just go ahead and you have to hit publish right now, and then you have to go to the settings. So here you can see this is the home page right now. If I just open this up, this is how it is looking. Okay, if I just open the home page, but I want to assign this page as the home page. So I'm just going to go to the settings right now, and I'm going to go to reading, and then here I want to go ahead and I want to select this home page, and it should be the home page, and I'm going to hit save changes, and it should be done. So if I just come here and I just refresh this, and you'll see this is how my home page looks. Okay, now here the main page, main thing starts, and that is that how are we going to just make it the leading page. So for that we have to just come here, and then we have to go to the pages and the all pages. Let me just close all these tabs so it doesn't just go make us like confused. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm just gonna remove all this, okay? And then here I want to just go ahead and I want to hit edit. So here I just want to edit this. But first, what I have to do, I have to just click here and it says Elementor Canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit update. Make sure that you select it so that it is now set to Elementor Canvas. And now if you just come here and you just view your page, you can see this is just, it is looking like this. So now we have to just come here and we have to just select edit with Elementor, and you can see it's going to take us here. And then here we're going to design our whole lead page basically. So now we can design everything. We can design anything with this. So you can see this is like this. So first of all, let's just come here and let's just see how does the lead page looks like. So we have to just not just full copy it, but we first have to just look at the lead page, that how does it look, which type of thing we should focus on, how can we create it. And so because I just create a website, I just look at the other website and I just then just have get the idea. So since this is my first experience with the Elementor creating a leading page, that is why I did not have any of the experience. So you can see this is the lead page that we can go ahead, okay, just like this. This is the arrow, this is like this, and so you can just create it like a single page with that. Okay, so you can also include the pricing table and something like that. So let's just go ahead and let's just click here and let's just add a title here first. So I just want to go ahead and I want to just add a template. So let's just see if we have any of the template for that. So because creating that is so hard for me. So so if you have an app and you need like that, a lead page for that, you just can just go ahead and insert it. Or if you have a product, so you can just go ahead and you can also just insert it. Okay, so this is how it is looking. We have fitness, homepage, restaurant, agency, which one should we go? Okay, let's just go ahead and let's design it. Okay, I think we should design. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna add this right here. And first thing I want to go ahead, I just need a background image. So the background image is not the image. I need the color. So the color is going to be a classic, and I want it to be the blue. So blue I need. I think it looks pretty cool. If I just click here, you can see this will be right here above. So now here, I just want to add a titles. So the title is going to be a heading basically, and that will be like lead page example. So you can just enter this. You can just enter the thing that you want to add. So like if I am creating a lead page for the WordPress complete WordPress course, complete WordPress course. Okay, this is like here. I'm just gonna bring it right here. And so now let's click this, and you can see this is right here. This says complete WordPress course, and everything is here. So first of all, what I have to do, I have to just come here and I have to just select the color. So the color is going to be white. So this looks pretty cool right now. Okay, you can also make it boxed if you want to. Okay, how you can do that, you just have to come here to the content, and you have to basically select the whole style. Okay, and then you have to come here to the content width. So content width, you can just make it up a little bit, come here, and you have this right here in the columns gap. So you can also stretch it, and you can just pretty well work with it, that how you want it to be. So you can see this is the box layout, but I don't want it to be the box. I just want it to be full width. Okay, here it is. This is how it is looking. Okay, and everything pretty well looks cool. So if you want it to be the box width, I want to show you how you can do that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to just come here. You have to just copy this color code, okay? You have to just copy it, and then you have to come here, just clear it, okay? And let's come here, and let's just come here to the boxed, and in here we have to just assign it a width. So this, let's suppose that this is the width. And now I have to come here to the edit column. And now in the column, I have to go to the style, and now I have to apply the border color. So in this right here, I can just add the border color. So this will be like this. So you can just make sure that your lead page will be of this size. So you can just control the size, that how you want the size to be. But since I want it to be the full width right now, so I'm just going to make it full width. I'm just going to add the header right here, and this will be applied to this whole section. So I'm just going to come here, I'm just going to come here, and I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to come here, and I'm going to paste the code right here so that it matches everything and it works pretty cool. Okay, now we're done with this. in the next section, we can just add a 2-column row where we can add some headings, and then here we can add some videos right here so that we can just manipulate everything. I'm just going to add it right now, and you can see 2 sections are added right now. First thing we want to add would be a heading. Okay, and then here I want the video, or just here should be the video, and then here would be the heading and the content. So let's just go ahead and let's just add the video. So in the video, we can just add any of the video. Okay, let's just come here, and you can see this is the video that is already here, this Elementor placeholder video. Okay, this is the video right here. This is already coming, so you can just basically add any video instead of this. I'm just using this one to just show you how it's gonna work. Well, let's just go ahead and let's just go to the YouTube to get some videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna search for explainer videos, explainer video animation. So you have to basically create these explainer videos in order for it to work. So I just need the short video ever that's gonna work. So I'm just gonna come here, let's just go with this one. Okay.
As a business owner, advertising in mainstream media will cost you an arm and a leg. You can opt for cheaper alternatives like printing and distributing flyers, but it's difficult to measure the performance. You've heard about new media.
Okay, I'm just going to come here, I'm going to copy all this, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to paste it right here. So let's just come here, let's select all, and let's paste. Let's paste. And here you can see this is right here, animated explainer video. So this is the explainer video. Make sure that you have any for your course content or for this. So you can see this is right here, and here I need some content. And then here I need a call to action or a form button. So if someone just enters his information, then that information will be just giving him a 20% discount or something like that. So this is right here. Okay, and now here I need to add some like the text or something like that. So first I just want to come here and I want to add a background. So for the background, I want to come here and I want to select the classic, and I want the color. So the colors that I want right here is going to be let's select green. So mostly people do prefer that when you are creating a lead page, make sure that you use green. So because green is like for success or for something like that. So I will be just using up with this right here. So this is just an example. You guys now already know that how you can design anything. So I'm just telling you an example that how lead pages work, how and what is the reason behind creating a lead page and why we should create it. So this is right here, and now here I want to add one more. So this will be like a heading here, and then I want to sale like something like that. So this will be like a heading. And the best, it should be like a best rated course. Okay, so this is right here. I'm just gonna come here, and here I want to just align it to center. Okay, I want to go ahead, I want to just come here and I want to change the colors of this. So this is the color right now. Let's make it full white. Okay, this is here. I want to go ahead and I want 5 stars right below. So for that, I want to just go ahead and I want to select the columns. So let's select the columns right here, and let's just drag it right here. So you can see these columns are here. I want to come here. I want to just duplicate. Okay, let's just come here. Let's just delete it. And I want to just go ahead. I want to select this, and I want to go ahead and I need an icon. So I want to just bring it right here, and you can see this icon is right here. So this is a star icon. Okay, I need 5-star reviews. So 5-star, and the color of the star is going to be white, black, blue, or yellow, or anything that you want to add. So I want to just change the primary color, and it can be like yellow, black, blue. Let's just change it to be yellow. So it just matches this. Okay, I want to make it full yellow. So this is right here. Okay, what I want to do right now is that I want to go to the star right now. And if someone brings his mouse over it, then I need some effects, okay? Icon and hover. So if someone brings his mouse over it, then it should turn to green. So if someone the mouse, you can see this is gone. So this will just give a big impact. So make sure that you have a little bit of hovering animation to your website so that your website feels good, okay? And if your website feels good, your client will feel good, and if your client feels good, he will buy your product. So make sure to just focus on that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and I want to hit duplicate column, duplicate column, duplicate column, and duplicate column. So you can see that we have 5 columns right now, and this is how it is coming. So you can see how it is looking. If I just bring my mouse over it, you can see this is coming right this. But I just want to come here and I want to just decrease the size of it. So I want to go ahead. I want to just change the size of this to be more. The columns gapping should be like wide gapping. Okay, this much size I think is fine. Okay, we also want to make sure extended, narrow. So I think this one, the wider, looks cool. So this looks pretty cool. Okay, we have the best rated course, and then we have everything right now, so you can see how this is looking. Okay, now here I just want to add one more thing. So it should be like a call to action, like get 90% off or 20% off or 10% off or something like that. So here I'm just gonna come here and I need a button. Okay, and the button will be so for the button I have to grab this. So I just want to drop it right here, and the button should be appearing. Okay, where's the button? I'm just gonna drag it right here, and you can see it says click me. So here I need to just align it to center. Okay, and I want it to be the size let's just go to style and let's just design this. So the background color should be the red. Okay, the background color is red, and on hover it should the background color should be removed. Okay, so if I just bring my mouse here, you can see it says that there is no background color. So this is how it's looking. Okay, and it looks pretty cool. I want to just go ahead and I want to give some padding. So just give some padding. So okay, this is the text padding. Sorry guys. I just want to go ahead. I want to go to advanced, and I want to give some margin to the top. So it should be 25 pixels. So you can see we have some margin. Okay, and then we have to come here to the content right here, and I want to just come here, and it should be like click me. Instead of click me, it should be like grab, learn, complete WordPress for $100. Okay, so here you can see this says learn complete WordPress for $100. Okay, and if I just come here and I want to make it like extra large, so you can see learn complete WordPress for $100. So if someone clicks it, it's gonna take us to the down page. So here in the down section, we need the form, sign up form. Okay, so this here I need to full of it right now. Okay, and in here I just need a title, and this would be the animated title. So the animated title is going to be like yes. So this is right here. I want to come here and I want to just select it to be like the circle, not the circle, but it should be like strike through. Not the strike through, but it should be like X. Okay, this looks cool. So I want to come here and this should be like this, and it should be like $100. Sorry, $200. And here I just want to add the $100. So this is like this. So you can just design it the way you want it to be. Okay, so you can see you can also bring it right here if you want to. Like if I just bring it right above here, you can see how this is gonna look. Okay, I want to come here. I want to come here, and I just want to go to style right now. And I want to change the color of the shape. So the shape color is going to be the red. So you can see the shape color is now red. I want it to be in the front, so it should just cross it totally. Okay, and then we have the round edges, so you can also round the edges, and we have the width. So if you want to increase the width, you can do increase the width. So I think this much looks cool. Okay, and this is like here. So the headline, in the headline we have the text color. So the text color in the headline should be a full green. So since the green is like already green, so I want to change this to be yellow. And we can see how great it looks. Okay, so you can see $200, not the dollar. So it says learn complete WordPress for just $100. And then we have the mail thing. The mail thing starts here. I want to just add it, fill the form below. fill the form below to get the access. So here I just want to add something that is. You can also add the price table if you want to, like on adding the price table. Then if someone just add it, so if you are selling anything, you can also add the price table. But I just want to add the code. So for that, I just want to create a list of the email marketing. Okay, and then here, if someone subscribed to that list, I also want to send a coupon code for my course that will give him like the 50% off, and then I will also get his email address. So if he just subscribe to it, then if he just buy my course, basically, if he just buy my course with that link, then he will be like automatically taken to the next email address. So basically, now what we have to do is that we need to. So you can see everything looks pretty cool. You can also work with this, like if you want to go ahead and you want to add something here, you can just go to style right now, and you can go to advanced section. And okay, I want to just go ahead and I want who edit this whole widget. So I can also just go with like player title and actions. So if I just remove it, you can see there would be no player title and actions. There's just this right here, the play button and the YouTube itself. Okay, so then we have the image overlay. So if you want to add the image overlay, you can also add the image overlay. Like if you want to add any other image, you can do add it. So like if I want to add something like let's suppose that I need this image, okay, and I just upload it. So then after uploading it, you will see this will be here. So this is right here. Okay, let me choose another image. I'm just gonna click select files, and I'm gonna go to the desktop right now, and in here let's select any other. So let's suppose that I just want to add this image, so I can just add the whole overlay effect, and then here you can see this image would be here. So then I can just insert the media. So I'm just inserting it. You will see this image will be the background image, and the play button would be coming on that image. So let's just hit insert media, and you can see how this image will look. So let's see. Play icon should be yes. Okay, and then we have the light box. So if we select this and then we just click the image, you'll see that the image will be like that. So you can see this is how this is looking. We have the play icon as well. Okay, and then if someone clicks it, you can see this is turning into the YouTube.
As a business,
Okay? So this is how it works. Okay, you can pretty well just open this up in a light box as well. So if someone just open this up, that light box will be popped up onto the screen, and then it will work. So if I just open this up, you can see the light box is here. So you can pretty well do that as well. I'm just going to come here. I'm just going to edit this whole widget again. And then I want to go to the light box. So here you can just design that how you want the light box to be, how you want it to be the top position, the entrance animation as well. And then we have the background color. And we also have the background. Okay. I'm sorry, the background, not the background. I want to go ahead into this. And then we have the border right here. So you can also give the border that how you wanted the border to be. So I just want it to be solid. So you can see that a border is right here. And in here, you can just work with it. So you also have the responsiveness. So you can hide on tablet, desktop, and everything. And you also have the custom CSS. So you can see everything looks pretty cool and amazing. Okay, so now we're totally done with this. Now here we want to design this. So, but first let's just come here and let's make it the full width. So let's just make it full width, or let's just give some padding to the top. So I'm just gonna give some padding to the top and the bottom. Okay, I want to come here. I want to give some 100 padding, and in here I want to give 100 padding to the bottom. So just is like this. Okay, just like this. It looks pretty cool. I want to come here. I want to change the style of the heading. So I want to just turn on the typography, and here I want it to be the family to be open sans, and you use your telescope. Okay, and I want the weight to be 100. So it should be just like that, and just increase the size. So it's just best rated course. So it is learn complete WordPress for $10, and this is the promo video that you can just add, or the explainer video. And in here we want to give some, first of all we have to just give the ID, the CSS ID. So it should be like hashtag go. Okay, sorry, hash go. Okay, and in here I want to just add the link, so it should be hash go. So if someone clicks this button, he should be taken down. And here we want to add some stuff, so you can add it like pretty well, a counter here. Okay, that means like grab grab this offer now. Okay, so you can see this is our lead page, and no one will ever tell you that this is just created with WordPress, guys. Seriously, this will look like that this is HTML, JavaScript based, and no one can actually just get like this is WordPress based. But we can design anything with WordPress, guys. Seriously, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna make it center, and I want it to be the style. So style is going to be it should be a black color. Okay, and we can also choose it to be the blue color, a purple. So it totally depends, but I just want to go with the black color, and I want the typography. So let's just hit typography to on, and let's increase the size. Okay, and I want to give some different type of fonts here. So the font here that I want should be Arsenal, Atomic Age. This looks kind of cool. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so this says grab this offer now. What I want to do right now, I just want to go ahead. I want to just select this one, and I want to go to the advanced. And in the advanced, I want to give some padding. So the padding should be in here, and it should be like I want to give 50 padding to the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna click here, and you can see this is how our page looks. So it says grab this offer now, and best rated course, learn how to learn complete WordPress for just this. And now here what I need a counter. So the counter would be like this offer is just for like 10 days, 20 days, or something like that. So the countdown. So the countdown is right here, and it should be like this offer is for like 1 day. Okay, so if I just select it, okay, and I just selected this offer, it will be closed here. So let's just come here. I can see this is 1 days, 10 hours, 17 minutes in this. So you can just change the background color as well. Okay, you can change the style of this. You can change the look of this. So you can also make it inline. Okay, I'm just gonna make it block, and then here I want to change the style of this. So I want the boxes color to be transparent, and I want here in the content it should be red. Let's just make it full. It should be red, and this should be green. So you can see 1 day is 11 minutes in this launch. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, now here below I just want to just add the form, add the form, so that if someone clicks there, then we will send him a coupon to our course. So you can see this is the perfect lead page example that I have created, and make sure that you keep your lead page as simple as you can, because if it is simple, you're gonna get more sales. So now here below I will just add a form, so when anyone will fill up that form, then I will send him a discount code for my course for 50%. So in the next video we'll be working up with that. Stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.